shabby if you taught me.
And yes, it is. At dupay nga talaga, itinapipintas nga lugar nga makita tayo dito'y Cordillera. Very wonderful and beautiful places that we can see in the Cordillera. So for this time, we are here in Tabuk City, Kalinga. So from Baguio City to Bolanao, it took us 12 hours of travel because of the repairs done sa sinakyan namin. And after which, tuloy ang biyahe until we reached our destination. So I welcome myself. Welcome to Bolanao. Yan. At actually, kanina pa ako nawe-welcome kasi yung mga nababasa ko na nakasulat doon na welcome to Tabuk City, Kalinga. Kasjay. Katatang oras, nagdiretso ako ni Ijay Lubuagan, wherein doon kasi yung location ng Awichon Cultural Village. And if you are traveling, hindi lang po sapat ang Google Mouth. Kailangan din ng Google Map. Kape is life. And so thank you very much sa family na nag-open ng kanilang house, offered coffee for me, and for Kagawad, the driver of the jeepney, and of course, kay Kuya them, I was able to reach Awichon Cultural Village safely and happy. Yan. Kanina pa ako gutom. Kaya let's go and eat. Ay! Kalinga Shine. Welcome. Awichon Cultural Village. Going and cleaning. Oh, everyday na marami silang nililinisan because of the falling leaves. Okay lang, iwan mo ako. Wag lang ang basura mo. Plantito, please don't get plants for your eyes only. Thank you.
They have lots of flowers, million flowers. That's why they have lots of flowers, because of the million flowers. Oops! Nasobrahan ka. Ito yung... They have also place for souvenirs. So if you want to buy something as your souvenir, Papi! Hello! Wala ko part kayo i-display. Oh, you're so cute. Hindi ko na lang ang